Right, so if I could give you one reason to go to Kosovo, this is it. Hello mate, joking. Hi friends, how are you all doing? We are on our second stop in the country that is Kosovo. If you don't recognize where I am currently in Prizren, which is down further south of Pristina, the capital city. I really hope you enjoyed the last vlog in Kosovo. We are at the second and final stop of the Kosovo trip, which is Prizren. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a little tour of this city. It's a much smaller city. I've heard from other travelers that it's got a very chill vibe. It's more a traditional town than the capital, which is Pristina. So before we go anywhere, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the Balkan series. And with that, let's go enjoy Prizren. Okay, so I've just done a little short lap up the river, literally like a 5 or 10 minute walk, and I just felt really uncomfortable all of a sudden, and that is mainly because I feel like people are looking at me, and I don't know if they are or I'm just paranoid, but I feel like I really am standing out right now. What I want to try and do is not look like a tourist. I want to blend in as much as possible, but because I'm from England and I look like this, it's really hard to do that. So I'm not sure, I'm sure like everyone's really friendly here, but I just felt like really intimidated all of a sudden, which was really strange because I did not feel like that in Pristina, and I'm sure that has no reflection on the people in Prizren. It's probably just me. So I've just come for some food because I also haven't eaten in like 5 hours, so I was thinking maybe I'm just not feeling my normal self because you're hungry, Dain, that's all it is. So I've come to a restaurant or slash cafe that I came to last night. I had really good vegan food. It's called Noja, and I had the falafel burger last night with fries, but I ordered the falafel wrap, so I'm just going to turn into one big falafel, to be honest. That falafel wrap is probably one of the best falafel wraps I've ever had. And I also ordered as well local rose water, which tastes so refreshing. It's just got like a certain sweetness to it. So definitely come to Noja, even if you're not vegan or vegetarian, because the food is so good. I'll probably even come back here for dinner. Okay, can confirm I do feel a tiny bit better. I just feel that when you vlog, you don't always feel your best. So maybe today I just feel like that. I've been editing all morning and I just feel like a bit tired and vlog shy. Ooh, don't like feeling like this. So yeah, I think the plan for today is walk around the city, explore, and just see what happens really. I feel like those days always turn out to be the best. I've got a list of things to see, but we'll just see what happens. Okay, so I've just come across this little sign thing here, and it says, do you want to experience the beauty of nature? Follow the Marash Trail. And I kind of feel like I don't really have anything planned. I like nature. It actually leads up to Prizren Castle, so I think we're going to follow that. I'm just going to have to take a picture so I remember what it looks like, but seems like a good plan. I'm just going to have to get maybe some water and snacks, because I don't know with these, like some of these trails end up being hours long, but it doesn't really say. Is this easy? We'll see. Prizren is also a bit more busy this weekend because there is actually a film festival happening. So I think this happens every year around this time in August. There's a film festival, they have lots of different films on. I probably won't be attending just because I'm here for such a short amount of time, but definitely if that's your thing, you might want to check that out if you ever come to Prizren in Kosovo and more people are looking at me. Honestly, the trick is just to look dead in the camera lens and just don't even look at the people looking at you, because That is just one way to put you off. I assume this is something to do with the film festival. They have literally set up a little cinema over a river. I've seen these pop-up screen cinemas in very cool places, but never on a river, like literally directly on. Okay, I'm literally only 10 minutes into this walk. It might be a hike, I'm not sure, but it's already really lovely, so I'm already gonna recommend the Marashi walking trail. It's just very nice. There was a lot of graffiti in Pristina, but there's more graffiti here, but it looks like it's been done by children as opposed to like professional. The cafe right beside me is playing Dua Lipa and it's making me want to get lit. Like, I haven't actually danced to English music in so long. I don't even listen to music other than like lo-fi because I'm that kind of guy. I feel like I need to get an Airbnb and just blast Dua Lipa right now. Not right now, but like at some point. Okay, this is where I suck at following maps. I've got a really good navigation system in my brain. For some reason, I've like come to the end of the path, or it's telling me to go up here. I am about here, but I've been following along the river, which is there, and it's telling me to go up. I don't know if it wants me to go up there or around there. I might try go up here. I hope there's no like wolves or bears or snakes or things that could eat me. Oh, okay, there's a little trail. There's a blanket here. What if someone's sleeping here? This is really weird. Okay, I'm just gonna document this in case I die. What the f? I'm so confused. Okay, this is really weird. Like, I don't actually know where I'm going. Few people I saw go over that bridge, but my map does not say to go over the bridge. But surely it's not expecting me to follow this. I mean, seeing as we're up here, we can try and carry on. Ooh, oh, it's just getting weirder. Okay, now there's two paths I can take. This is when English boy gets lost in the woods in Kosovo. This feels a bit better, but I don't know why there's no one else up here. How the frig am I gonna get down if I do get lost? Abort mission, abort mission. I repeat, we are going the wrong way. Why am I so cringy, guys? Tell me in the comments below, why am I so cringy? Sometimes you just have to follow your instinct. My instinct is telling me to follow where everyone else is going and not listen to my map right now. I'm hoping there's another bridge down there that then rejoins to this route. So if you guys can, if you want to come here and do this, watch me do it badly first and then you know what to do. Okay, so I've stopped for a little break and my guilty pleasure, which at the moment is Coca-Cola Zero. Again, I do not drink this at home, but for some reason, when I'm in Europe, I really fancy Coke Zero. So yeah, I will say if you're gonna do this little hike / walk, there are lots of cafes and restaurants to stop at, like literally every 5 minutes. And then I passed this one, I was like, I could sit down. I've been walking for like 45 minutes, an hour maybe, just a little refresh because it's very, very hot. So it's like 35 degrees. You know when you go to a place and you just don't know what to expect? I feel like that is me with Kosovo. Like, look at this backdrop. That landscape is amazing. I knew there was some sort of mountain ranges / hiking places in Prizren, but I didn't realize it would be this beautiful. And I really do feel like I'm so early on in this hike that it's surely only going to get better. The fact that I'm on an actual walking path now speaks volumes about me just going the wrong way back there. Like, I just didn't know where I was going. Always trust your instincts, guys. I think all I needed today was a piece of nature, and I'm so lucky and so happy that that's what I've done. I've come out into nature. I honestly, I feel like I've been in so many cities the last couple of weeks, and now I'm just in nature and it feels so good. You saw in the vlog earlier, I didn't feel great this morning. I think, I don't know, maybe I was just feeling like not as confident or just not that great. And I've said this in many vlogs before. If you ever feel like crap, just get out in nature, get outside and just do something, because instantly you feel better. And especially being around trees and everything. I don't feel like I've been around trees in ages, which sounds kind of weird, but it's true. my god guys, there is 2 little turtles just sat in the bushes right now. They're so cute. Hello. Right, so if I could give you one reason to go to Kosovo, this is it. One of my favourite views in the Balkans so far. Like, I'm not sure what mountains those are, and one thing I really wish I could do, if you do come here, please do me a favour, send up your drone. It's so windy right now, so I don't want to risk what happened in Sarajevo. Okay, I can sense that we're getting closer back to the city centre. Can you hear that? It's the call of prayer. I really think there is something beautiful about it. Like, the first time I heard it when I was in one of the Balkan countries, I can't quite remember, I do apologise. But I just heard it and I was like, that just sounds unreal. And even when I was walking into Prizren from the bus station yesterday, I could hear it from all the mosques. Like, can you hear it? But look, we have made it to the fortress. So this was a nice, easy trail that I did. I was a bit worried because the signage was everywhere. But if you just keep following this pathway, you will get to the fortress from where I started earlier. Hopefully you can figure that out. So if you can see down there, that is where we started. We've sort of like sloped around the mountain and up towards the fortress. I think this is a really nice place to watch the sunset as well. So if it was 8 o'clock right now, I would stay here. Yeah, I'm going to head back to Prizren now and probably chill because I've been doing a lot of walking. I've pretty much been walking most of the afternoon, just a bit slowly and like stopping because that's just what I'm like. Good morning guys, it is the next day. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my hostel called LUKA Hostel. I would definitely recommend to visit here if you're staying in Prizren. The beds are 10 out of 10 comfy and it kind of reminds me of a Japanese hostel. It is currently like 7:15 a.m. I'm up bright and early on this beautiful Saturday morning in Prizren. So last night I went for some food and I pretty much just chilled. I was pretty dead after I did that walk. But this is where I came last night. It's sort of the main sort of street in the old town. I'll put in some footage now. It's literally completely lively and busy at night time. There are a few churches and mosques that I wanted to visit, but a lot of them you can't actually enter or take pictures, or they're just closed at the moment. There's a really nice one as you come down from the fortress, but it's completely like gated off. Okay, so right behind me is where we started this vlog. This is the old bridge, and this is probably what Prizren is most well known for. If you Google pictures of Prizren, 99% chance this bridge will pop up, but after doing some research I found out that it was a bridge that was allegedly built in the 15th century. I'm not sure if this is a river, but it looks more like a stream. I don't know if maybe it's quite dry at the moment because it's quite hot in summer, but you can see there's not as much water that would be in a river. But it's really pretty because there's just loads of like stones, and minus the garbage, why am I saying garbage, I'm not American, minus the rubbish, it's a really nice little place to chill. So I'm going to walk past this touch me booth.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
This really is such a beautiful view for like first thing in the morning. So if you do end up coming to Prizren, try and get up at like 7 and just like have a little wander around the old town and like the bridge area, because it's really nice. It's really nice, you guys. I clearly have lost it at this point in the trip. Okay, so opposite the old stone bridge, there is another bridge and it's blue and it's full of lockets, keychains, not keychains, just lockets. But when I was here last night, I saw a man selling locks, and there is so many locks, like I can't even see any room. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed seeing Kosovo. We've been here most of the week now, and I'm off to a new country in a few hours, so I need to go and get my stuff ready. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, did you know Kosovo was a country before? Because I didn't until a few months ago when I started planning this trip. I feel like my time in Prizren has been short but sweet. I really enjoyed the hike that I did yesterday because the views from the fortress were just incredible. Make sure you come and check out Prizren if you ever find yourself in Kosovo, which I would definitely I'm always going to keep it real with you guys, you know. I've spoken to a few friends and they've been like, what is it like? Like, is it worth a trip there? And I would say 100%, like for sure, come and see Kosovo. Like, I feel like I've had a really interesting last few days and I've learned a lot and I've seen some really cool things and learned about another country. So yeah, highly recommend visiting. But yeah, I need to go get my stuff ready because I need to try and find a bus that goes to the next place in a few minutes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Take care, peace out, subscribe and all that stuff, and yeah, see you in the next one. This is when English boy gets lost in the woods in Kosovo. It's the Prizren old stone bridge, which is probably one of them. I need to actually look at the camera when I'm talking because you guys won't hear me. I was pretty dead after all that walking I did while choking. And it actually leads up to Okay, so I'm gonna end this video. Oh my god, my eye is twitching. It's not the one in Pristina was. Oh god, you're Dain. Oh god, Dain, you're chatting a lot of rubbish. I repeat, we are going the wrong way. Ooh. Ooh. Wonder if there's any bears watching me, like, what is this kid doing? Like, spinning around with his camera.
Let's make footprints.